From 1892 to 1954, millions of immigrants arriving at America took immigration medical exam and were treated at Ellis Immigrant Hospital in Ellis Island in New York Harbor before anyone was allowed to embark. Those who detained for medical or legal reasons can be on the island for overnight or months. Once their documents were reviewed, they can be admitted to U.S. or sent back to the country where they came from free of charge. Under the 1980 Immigration and Nationality Act and the Public Health Service Act, the Secretary of Health and Human Services promulgates regulations outlining the requirements for the medical examination of applicants seeking admission into the United States and those applying for permanent resident status. CDC's Division of Global Migration and Quarantine, DGMQ, provides the Department of State, DOS, and the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, of the Department of Homeland Security, DHS, with technical instructions for all physicians performing overseas and U.S.-based medical screening examinations for immigrants and refugees. The technical instructions outline the scope of the medical examination. The purpose of the medical examination is to identify, for the DOS and USCIS, applicants with health-related grounds of inadmissibility. Therefore, immigrant visa applicants who have communicable diseases of public health significance are inadmissible. What conditions are qualified as communicable diseases of public health significance? Hello, welcome to Bon Immigration Channel. Certain communicable diseases can be inadmissible to the U.S. In this video, I am going to explain which conditions are qualified as communicable diseases of public health significance and what is on your medical examination report. Let's get into it. The Department of Health and Human Services, HHS, has designated the following conditions as communicable diseases of public health significance that apply to immigration medical examinations conducted in the United States. Gonorrhea, Hansen's disease, leprosy, infectious, syphilis, infectious stage, and tuberculosis, TB, active. Only a Class A TB diagnosis renders an applicant inadmissible to the United States. Under current Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, guidelines, Class A TB means TB that is clinically active and communicable. Does USCIS determine what qualified as communicable diseases of public health significance? No. What qualifies as a communicable disease of public health significance is determined by HHS, not by USCIS. If you ever wonder what is in the medical exam documents, the medical examination documentation indicates whether the applicant has either a Class A or Class B medical condition, and the vaccination record shows whether the applicant has complied with all vaccination requirements. Coming next, I will post the list of immigration questions that consular officers often ask in the interview. Thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.